help me. You hold it. Where are we going to put it? Let's put it right here. Let's put it right there. Wanna touch the tree? You don't like it. Here,
Touch the tree, Boogie.
Touch it. Tell Daddy. Daddy, I don't like it.
You can't make me touch it.
Let's find another one. How about a cuckoo clock? Say cuckoo. Let's put that one right here.
You having fun, buddy?